Hey Vincent!
Yeah.
Hello! Do you know what we got in the freezer?
No.
We got some balloons filled with water that are frozen now. What do we do with it?
Open it!
Oh, here they are, but some of them are already broken. It's fine.
So let's
Take him outside. Mommy.
No, it's bad.
Take two of them. Wait, oh, Mommy. Okay, Vincent. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I got all we need to get the balloons. We need something to smash them, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Look. I got an old broccoli.
Okay.
Is that gonna... No. That doesn't seem to be working. Broccolis do not work. Lesson learned. Okay, it's okay. We need something a bit to smash it, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, how about we get the monkey smasher?
This is my monkey smasher.
Is it gonna smash it? No, not working. Okay, we need another one. That doesn't work. Okay, what else we have here? I think I know. That's like a hammer, isn't it? Oh, okay, you broke it already. That's fine. That doesn't work. Maybe we need a hammer. I've got a hammer here.
Hey!
Thor's hammer.
But it can't get off.
Yeah, let's see if that works. No, that doesn't work.
It has a bug.
Try this one.
It has got a bug.
Okay, we'll get there eventually.
Oh, this is one of my toy ones. Oh, first I need to peel.
Smash it. Yeah, okay, well at least we've separated them. He's running away!
They broken apart.
Okay, I think. Yes! Ah, that's a proper hammer. Smash!
Oh, it's already peeled. We need to peel it.
Peel it. Oh!
There's lots of coins.
What? We got a treasure trove of coins. We need to get them out, Vincent. Ah, there we go! Yes!
But maybe we need a bigger hammer.
Oh my god, the bigger hammer. Mummy's gonna get the bigger hammer. Oh, the meantime, no, use the little hammer on the meantime. Oh, the broccoli. We can use the broccoli again.
Hey!
No, but it looks like a hammer. Okay, Vincent, now this one. We tried almost everything.
Whoa!
What?
This broke apart. Whoa!
What? Whoa, we got a coin.
I just pulled it out.
You pulled it out. Let me try to. Ah! 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Look at it. Go!
We got one! Yeah, we got this.
Okay, what are we gonna do now? We need another one. We did it. Whoa.
With the big hammer.
Hey, put it on the table. Put it on the little. Oh, there we go. What did we get?
Like maybe green, but it's
Show me.
almost though.
Lightning McQueen. He's frozen in time, isn't he, Vincent?
Whoa.
Whoa. We need the hot water with salt.
That's the hot water.
We got the hot water.
We got hot water. Got the water.
Use the smashing monkey. Ah! They're almost. Yay! We got McQueen. Okay, let's smash another one. Oh, what is that? Bring it in. Ooh, I see something inside. It looks like the terror of the oceans. Oh wait, put it on the board here.
Put it on the board.
Take the blue off. Ah, the cat is coming.
We need to close that door.
Okay, smash it. I'll do it. Whoa!
Whoa!
What? Look at that.
The mouth can't open.
Yeah. Oh, You took the mouth off. Put it here. Put it here. We're gonna break the rest.
I see a fish.
There's a fish inside the shark.
We
Yeah,
need
well, they've been
break.
frozen in ice for centuries.
But look what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, I see.
Hey, put the net there.
Yeah,
Oh,
there it is.
Fish got out.
And the fish got out. Oh, I think it's slightly off. Let's break the last one. Just put it here. Just put it on the board. Yeah, very good. Let's try with the little one first. Ah. There! It's
What?
blue inside. Whoa, I nearly fell.
Why?
That's a surprise. You didn't expect it, did you? And we're peeling it. Whoa! What do we see there?
Carrot.
Show me. Thomas, that's why it's blue. Turn it around so you can smash it from above. Do you want me to help you with that?
I see something.
Smash it. Maybe with the little one it's gonna work. Yeah, okay. Nice. Yeah, it's coming through, isn't it? Okay, Vincent, there's one more thing now. We're gonna smash it totally. You ready? We're getting there.
Right.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Let's still a bit. Are we ready, Vincent? Yeah? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! We're nearly there.
Whoa.
You finish it now. Wait, sit over there. Ah! Yes! I think we freed him. Thomas!
Look. Look at the side.
Try to remove the final bits with this. Slowly, without smashing Thomas, who's a nice engine. Which one is your favorite? Thomas? Is it McQueen? Or is it the shark that lost its mouth? And the fish. Put it, yes, that's it, put it in. What are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna break it.
You're gonna break. Show me what you got. Look, we got coins. Look at all we got. We got coins. We got Thomas.
McQueen.
You got McQueen. Wasn't it fun, Vincent?
Yeah.
Yeah? You wanna?
But today we're gonna go to Harry's.
Okay. Okay, Vincent. Now, so bye bye.
Bye bye.
Look at all the colors.
But
And Thomas.
I prefer McQueen. Join us for my experiments. Subscribe.